Last week, questions and concerns started to bubble up. They started as a whisper, and then they continued to get louder and louder as the weeks went on, with the Fed finally speaking on Thursday. The big concern being, are future rate cuts off the table now? Let's find out. First, and I think I speak for all of us when I say this, can we just get a break? I mean, come on, some consistency, some good news, some rate relief, some momentum. Frick, I mean, come on.
Oh, come on!
Okay, guys, ran over, but the short answer is it's very possible that we don't see the highly anticipated rate cuts that have been discussed for some time. Many economists are scrambling to update their 2025 projections post-election. Powell didn't mince words and said flat out, we are not in a hurry to reduce interest rates. Thanks for that, man. Here's some highlights from his talk.
The economy is not sending any signals that we need to be in a hurry to lower rates. The strength we're currently seeing in the economy gives us the ability to approach our decisions carefully.
He even went as far to say we are by far the best of any major economy in the world. Now, guys, it's of course maddening to be on this real estate seesaw as of late. We're back. No, we're not back. Wait a minute, we're back again. Oh damn, no we're not. I mean, it's exhausting, but there is a reason for all this madness. Powell touched on it, calling the moves a recalibration of the monetary policy that no longer needs to be focused on primarily stomping out inflation and now has a balanced aim at sustaining the labor market as well. Markets still largely expect the Feds to continue with another quarter-point rate cut in December and then a few more in 25. Well, to be fair, I'm not sure that largely expected is accurate. Here's the updated numbers. It's only 60% chance of a rate cut in December, which is wild when you think about what we've all been talking about just a few weeks ago, which is essentially guaranteed rate cuts this year and next year, not if, but how many rate cuts, and only a few weeks later, and here we are now even talking about will we have rate cuts at all? Freaking wild, team. In short, Powell wrapped it up saying,
we see the risks to achieving our employment and inflation goals as being roughly in balance, and we are attentive to the risks to both sides. We know that reducing policy restraint too quickly could hinder progress on inflation. At the same time, reducing policy restraint too slowly could unduly weaken economic activity and employment. We're moving policy over time to a more normal setting, but the path for getting there is not preset. In considering additional adjustments to the target range for the federal funds rate, we will carefully assess incoming data, the evolving outlook, and the balance of risks.
Translation, we may see rates stay the same for some time. And I think that NAR, MBA, and others will amend their 2025 projections accordingly in the coming weeks. Redfin already stating that rates as of November 8th had eased slightly, but Treasury bond yields indicate that the market believes that rates on mortgages and other loans are unlikely to change much over the next year. As recently as this summer, there was a broad consensus that mortgage rates in 2025 would fall below 6%, but now they're concerned about mortgage rates. As a result, their economics team told the Redfin execs to prepare for the possibility that U.S. home sales could stay the same in 25 as they were in 2024.
No, mortgage rates are still the same.
Asia kunnossa.
So a repeat of 2024 in regards to rate and home sales. Well, if you're still watching, thank you, and thank you for not throwing your phone or hitting the X button. It's not the news that we wanted to share with you today, but it's the news nevertheless. We are with you, team, and hope and pray that we stay the course with the anticipated rate cuts per the Fed dot plot. I guess in a weird way, the speed at which this stuff has changed recently somehow gives me some hope. I mean, because the wind and the tea leaves are apparently blowing in the direction of fewer rate cuts, but as we've seen lately, that can quickly change back the other way. And I don't know about you, but I'm getting my leaf blower out and I'm pushing them back in the rate cut camp. See you guys next week.
Right, so relief cut and momentum. Frick, I mean, come on, Jim Carrey, insert that clip. Hey, we're gonna do it when we whisper rap. We're gonna be like, pull it, biggity back. Anyways, just subscribe, bro. You know it's fun. We like to have a lot of fun, though.